Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to disable advertisement on VIBER. So there is some annoying ads. You need to open your VIBER. So we open VIBER and now we see trending to 12. Even I will delete this, but again it will come back, this ad, many ads on the daily basis, every time. Reopening VIBER again and we will see different ads. Visit sites. So how we stop those ads, so I will show you briefly. So all you have to do, go to settings on your iOS device and then scroll down to privacy. Here, privacy. Then go to the top, location services, tab, and scroll down to find your application which you want to disable, which is VIBER. This is VIBER here. Tab, and then allow location access. So you need to select never, or you can say ask next time, but it's better to select never if you don't want to see ads and to disable blocking ads on your VIBER. So I'm selecting never. That's it. Go back to the main menu and now we open VIBER. So now I still see the advertisements, so best things I advise to delete your VIBER and install it again. So here I try to delete my VIBER on my iOS device. This is iPhone SE 2020. Tap here and then delete VIBER. Delete app, yes. Yes, delete. The application has been deleted, so we need to restart our phone and reinstall the VIBER. Now I reinstalled the VIBER on my iPhone, so just tap and you see done, click done, and then you see no ads serving. To use Siri, don't allow. That's it. This is how to remove permanently ads on your VIBER. Thank you. Bye. Now I reinstalled the VIBER on my iPhone, so just tap and you see done, click done, and then you see no ads serving. To use Siri, don't allow. That's it. This is how to remove permanently ads on your VIBER. Thank you. Bye.